In today's video, we discuss how to create a right angle with arc. So for doing this, if you want to create this symbol, that is a right angle with arc. So for creating this symbol in your computer, you must open your Microsoft Word in your Windows computer. So after opening this MS Word, then you can go to your computer keyboard and you can see in this keyboard this is the number lock key. You must press this number lock. Now we turned on the number lock. Now you can see the alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this alt key. Don't remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time you must type here 8894. After typing 8894, you can release your finger from this alt key. Now you can see that we have created this symbol, that is a right arc angle with arc. For more videos you can subscribe. Thank you.